Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Upper Rack Assembly part #WD28X30219. The GE Upper Rack Assembly part #WD28X30219 is a replacement part for dishwashers. It is the upper rack assembly for a GE dishwasher and includes the upper rack, 2 tines, and 4 wheels. The upper rack is designed to hold dishes, cups, and other items. During the dishwashing cycle, the 2 tines are used to secure items in place on the upper rack. The 4 wheels allow the upper rack to slide in and out of the dishwasher for easy loading and unloading. This part is made of durable plastic and is designed to last for many years of use. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace a damaged or worn out upper rack assembly in a dishwasher. It can fix symptoms such as the upper rack not staying in place, the upper rack not sliding smoothly, or the upper rack being bent or warped. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by removing the existing upper rack assembly from the dishwasher. To do this, open the dishwasher door and locate the 2 screws that secure the upper rack assembly to the sidewalls of the dishwasher. Unscrew these screws and carefully remove the upper rack assembly from the dishwasher. 2. Place the new GE upper rack assembly part #WD28X30219 into position in the dishwasher. Make sure that it is properly aligned with all of its mounting holes. 3. Securely fasten the new upper rack assembly to the sidewalls of the dishwasher using 2 screws. You can buy this part from www.PartsIPS.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.PartsIPS.com.
Visit www.PartsIPS.com to order residential appliance parts.